So in this video we'll be making a capacitor. So a capacitor is just a device that stores an electric charge. And we'll be making a parallel plate capacitor with multiple plates. And for the plates we have here an aluminum sheet. And you can look at the dimensions here. And for the dielectric we'll be using what's known as polyethylene, which is convenient to have for the purposes of a simple tutorial. And I've already cut out a strip of the aluminum sheet and segmented it into 6 regions, and we'll be cutting those regions for the plates of our capacitor. So now we have our 6 aluminum plates and some dielectric sheets. I found one of our dielectric sheets has this groove in it. Now our capacitor breaks down if the dielectric separating our capacitor plates is penetrated by any electron flow. So we're not going to use this type of dielectric sheet. Next we'll be taking 2 aluminum plates and separating them with 3 dielectric sheets. Like so. We're basically finished now. We have 3 capacitors, but what we'll do next is we'll separate each of these capacitors with 3 dielectric sheets, and then we'll wrap the entire capacitor with this large dielectric sheet, and we'll tape it all together to ensure that it doesn't break apart. So now we're done. After some tedious trimming, it should look something like this. Now the key is to have a plate on both sides exposed for our convenience to connect it to a circuit. And we can go ahead and cover this side up with some dielectric material just to make it look nicer. And finally we have a multi-plate capacitor. Don't forget to try this at home.